Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on passcode lock on your Azar app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of this photo here in app, click on it, then it's going to show for your list like this, and you click here on this sign settings here. So then when you click in this sign settings, it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on passcode lock, then you come here to passcode lock, you click in this sign, so then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you add your passcode. So I'm going to add this passcode for example here, so then you repeat it, so then it's going to add with you uh on your other app like you see now. It's done with us when this color show for us. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.